Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at some of the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just someone who wants to stay up to date on the latest tech trends, you are sure to find something interesting in this video. From smartphones to smartwatches, from drones to gaming consoles, we have got it all covered. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of gadgets. Before starting the video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Are you tired of struggling with light bulbs and risking injury when trying to replace them? Look no further than Magbulb. This compact and handy device allows you to replace a bulb in just one moment, making the process much faster and safer. Using the same principle as magnetic adapters for charging devices, Magbulb has a base where the magnetic inlet is screwed into the lamp, while the other part is screwed into the base of the bulb, and the cost of the device is only $15. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional bulb replacement with Magbulb. Do you want to experience the physical sensations of the virtual environments in your favorite video games or movies? Check out Vortx. This simulator recreates these sensations by creating air currents of different intensity and temperature. Vortx is a simulator that creates air currents to make you feel the heat, cold, wind, and weather of the virtual world. It connects to your PC and costs around only $120. The link is in the description. Say goodbye to bacteria and hello to perfectly temperature maintained liquid with Quartz. Quartz is a reusable water bottle that can maintain the temperature of your drink and kill bacteria using a built-in ultraviolet lamp. It also works as a thermos and can keep drinks hot for 12 hours or cold all day. And it costs only around $60. Looking for a phone case that does more than just protect your phone? Ludi Case is the perfect gadget for you. Externally, this device is almost identical to a traditional phone case. It also protects your phone but also has fun features on the back, like rotating knobs and metal balls to play with. It also has its own app and costs only around $20. Oxide. Oxide is the innovative development based on augmented reality technology and computer vision algorithms that will help visually impaired people navigate better in space and live without a cane or a guide dog. It can adjust to the specific characteristics of each user and improve visual signals, increasing image contrast, brightness, and other parameters needed to perceive the surrounding reality. The developers have not yet revealed the price of this innovative development, but sure, we'll let you know on this. So guys, the video covered various gadgets that can make your life easier. Check out the description box for more information on these gadgets, and buy links are also mentioned. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.